everybody, how's it going? Hope you're doing well. It's feel like it's been a while. Took a few days off there. So yeah, today we're hey Donatello. So today we're gonna try out using ink or inky. I think inky is the name of the user interface that we're using. But ink is it's kind of like a markup language for branching fiction. Yeah, so it's not going to be quite code, I would say, but it's like coding adjacent, I suppose. So we're going to be looking at this interactive fiction thing. So this here is the UI for ink, or inky, I suppose. And as you can see, it just starts out with some dialogue, and there's a couple choices, and then the end, right? So if we hit play, it's how do you play it? I feel like I just did this to make sure it worked. Oh, it's just over here on the right. So yeah, once upon a time showing, and there's two choices, and pick a choice, and then end a story. So simple enough, right? I thought I'd go ahead and copy in another example story. So this story, you can see we've got some intro here, and then a tag that go to London. So basically, these are kind of like go-tos, where they're called diverts, and they go to knots, which kind of like you can imagine like their functions, I suppose. I mean, it's not really a game. You make games with it, I suppose. Really, you make interactive fiction. But yeah, so then, since we're in London, we see all this text, and then the pluses are where you have choices. So then we've got some choices, right, somewhere. Oh, apparently I already picked on. Maybe we restart. Okay, yeah. So we get to pick which one, and if we pick astonished, then we'll end up in this block. Otherwise, if we pick not, we'll go down here. So pretty straightforward, really. In fact, there's really not much to look at here, I suppose. All right, so let's start writing like our own little story. Do you guys have any ideas for what we should write about? Maybe we'll save like end and just delete the rest. I'm not exactly sure if indenting matters. I mean, if I undo, I think they use it here, but like if we don't indent there. So if I pick around the world, yeah, it doesn't look like the indenting matters. It's just stylized for that. So we're not quite Python here. So do you guys have any ideas on what we should write? I was thinking about just doing like some kind of like dungeon crawling thing or something, but if you have any other good suggestions, I will take them into account. And there's ways to have like variables and stuff too. So I haven't really played with this, but you can define variables. So we could have like money equals 10 or something. And then we should be able to say that in text somewhere. Let's see, how do we print a variable? So we can say like, I have money. So yeah, I have 10 money. Oh, you want to do a death game? Alright, that sounds pretty cool. Yeah, I mean, we're writing interactive fiction. A death game. I mean, it'll be pretty hard to come up with a ton of characters on the spot. Maybe we should just do let's see, you woke up in a room with one other person. They're still asleep in a bed. And then we could have some choices. Maybe, like examine. And that'll go to, examine. I wasn't gonna put kill them as their first option. That was gonna be like the second option. Hold on. Let's see. You've been awarded a huge island in the middle of the Pacific. Okay, maybe that's how you, get into the situation? Alright, yeah. You've been awarded a huge island in the middle of the Pacific. You charter a plane to go check it out, but on the way, you fall asleep. Right? I think that works. Then you wake up in the middle of a room. You wake up in a room with one other person. They're still asleep. Examine the person. Or strangle them. No, that's cool. We got okay. You see from the window that it has a lake, volcano, and pretty beaches. Alright, but before you land, you fall asleep. So you wake up in a room, in a small room, a small metal room, with one other person. They appear to still be asleep. In bed. You can examine them or you can strangle them. So let's see. Alright, so we're gonna put a tag here. This way we can jump back to this choice. Alright, so like strangle, you're gonna start trying to kill him, I guess. Seems pretty strange. But let's see. It's gotta be a girl, right? You put your hands around her throat. We don't want to get too violent here, but yeah, I mean that's the look around. Oh yeah, I guess that's a good idea. Look around the room. Alright, so if you look at the room, we'll go back to wake. And the because we're using asterisks, the look at the room choice will be gone at that point. But the room This is tiny. Not much larger than the typical bedroom, but there are 2 beds and no other furniture. A metal door is locked, or no, a metal door with no handle is the only entrance. I guess exit makes more sense. Alright, so we can also check out conditional choices while we're here. So now, if you've looked at the room, we can have a choice that's, like, check out the door. The door has no visible handle or way, or any other way to open it. You push against it, but it doesn't budge. Alright, hold on, so we're gonna try to kill this girl. You watch as the other person wakes up trying to get off you, to get you, but it's too late. You watch as it's likely. No, I was gonna have you die if you try to kill her. Her eyes start awake, and she quickly reaches, we don't need quickly, she reaches to her, pocket. Let's see. With her hands still free, she reaches into her pocket and pulls out a small dagger. The dagger finds its way into your eyeball. Your vision goes from red to black. Let's see. Then we'll, you are dead. And so when you're dead, you just go to end. I think you can actually restart as well. There's some way to, like, restart, but, we don't need to bother with that for now. Maybe later we'll let you kill somebody, and then you feel bad about it. Alright, let's see. The sleeping person is a beautiful girl. Oh yeah, she's super cute. She's cute with blonde hair in, twin-tail drills, right? Let's see. Yeah, I mean, we'll see what we can do with some crazy options later. Alright, so let's see if what we've got works here. So, alright, so we're testing it now. Oh, you can't quite, hold on, let me see if I can, I should really put chat on the bottom for the stream, huh? We could maybe we could go to a different view. Hold on, let me go to that view. Yeah, those are some good choices, I think. Alright, so let's see here. So we're starting at the beginning. You wake up in a small room. Now, why does it go straight to end? I guess we need to go to wake in order to, there we go. Alright, yeah, those can be the choices, for here, right? So, we've got, wake her up gently. Punch her in the face to make sure she wakes up. Leave her asleep. Alright, so we need to make those branches as well. Alright, actually, let's make this one a plus, because we want to be able to pick this again if we decide to, leave her alone. Alright, so we're starting off. Let's make sure it works. So we wake up, look around the room. Oh, that didn't work. Why didn't that work? Look room. Wait, why didn't it work? Oh, I've got some errors. Oh, maybe, hold on. Maybe it just doesn't like my errors. Alright, it looks like that worked. So we look around the room, blah blah blah. So that puts us back here, and look around the room is gone, but check out the door, it now exists. So we check out the door, but we didn't find anything useful, so then we can examine the person or strangle them. So strangle leads to us dying, the end. If we go back, examine the person. I think it just wants you to not have any bugs, right? It's, I think of it like a compiler, right? Alright, if we leave her alone, we end up back here, so that works good. Let's make that a plus, so that it doesn't go away. Alright, then we have to decide what to do. Alright. I'm just following suggestions, you know. Alright, so, nitpicky, I mean, that kind of makes sense, but, I mean, it's definitely not incorrect to say that, but with any kind of programming language, right, I would argue any programming language is kind of nitpicky, right? It kind of has to be. Alright, so if you wake her up gently, touch her gently on the shoulder. Let's see. Her eyes start open. Yeah, that would be pretty cool, but maybe there's some tools to do that. I haven't really looked into any third-party stuff. You can export it directly to a website, actually, which is pretty cool. It lets you publish directly to, like, itch.io and stuff, which is really awesome. Oh, I'm looking at the drop-down menus. You can't actually see what I'm doing right now, but there's actually a lot of drop-downs to help you out, which is pretty cool. That way you don't have to just read the manual. Though I was reading the manual mostly. Oh yeah, BlazBlue, it did have a lot of choices, didn't it? Her eyes start open, and you instinctively back away. Let's see. She sits up and backs up to the wall. Who are you? Yeah, she seems scared and confused. So, one thing I was thinking was like, you can actually use this to help you make like a visual novel. I'm not sure the best way to include like pictures, but we could, like for example, we could just mark the lines like this, and probably our, whatever program we're using to consume this, could replace this with like a picture or something. So, but for now we'll just write it like a story, I guess. Oh yeah, I remember that in BlazBlue. It was pretty stupid. You'd have to purposefully try to get like the special way to kill him. Alright, so we got some choices now. Who are you? There's one thing you can say. Yeah, we don't have a way to like input the player's name. I don't think there's a way to have text input here. But if you were to, use ink in your own program, you could do that pretty easily, I think. Let's see. Yeah, we don't want to have too many crazy choices, I think. We want to try to, move things along. Oh, that's a good one. I like that amnesia idea. So what we can do is we can write it like this, like feign amnesia. And that will show up a certain way. And we can also have like introduce yourself. Oh, she was in a different bed. I think I mentioned there were 2 beds. Oh, maybe I didn't. Yeah, sorry, you don't get to sleep with her. No, the guy running this death game, he's nice. He gives you a bed. Alright, so you can ask for their name first, feign amnesia, or introduce yourself. Alright, so if you ask for their name first, she stares at you quietly for a few seconds. My name is... What should her name be? I don't think her name's Arietta. mean, I don't think it's family friendly when you can try to kill him, but it's at least PG-13 maybe. Let's she'll be Barrietta. Yeah, the Strangling a Stranger, I don't know, we just threw that in, because why not? Alright, so Barriett is here. Let's see, then we'll go back to, let's see, what's the best way to link this back up? I guess we want to be right here. Oh yeah, I guess we could actually go... Actually, let's just copy both of these choices, maybe. Alright, so... Yeah, we could probably link back up to here at the top if we added another tag in, but I'm not going to bother doing that. Alright, for now, let's just, like, have, like, a variable for player name. We can think about how we do that later. And what was our, yeah, I won this island, or I gained the rights to an island and was flying out here. I don't know what's going on. Alright, then, I don't know, let's go to continue. I don't know what we want to say. Alright, after a pause, you say, do you know me? Alright, and then we can also go to continue here. Alright, so then, Barriett eyes you skeptically. Oh, I guess she didn't introduce herself in the other routes. Okay, so now what we can do is have some, what we can do is we can do something like this. and say, well, this would probably be like, alright, and so then if you didn't introduce yourself, if you didn't ask for her name, then she says, who her name is. Alright, and we probably need to do that here too. Alright, so I think we've got a bit of a mess here. I'll have to probably... we'll have to test it and make sure it works. Alright, hold on. We need to have Punch do something too, don't we? So Punch should basically go... should basically go to here, right? You, you punch her in the face with some force. She jumps awake and, standing on the bed and backs to the wall. She jumps awake with a cute scream and stands with her back to the wall. Alright, well, that's kind of silly. She'll remember that. Alright, let's see what we got over here. Oh, do we have any bugs still, or are we good? I think we're good. Alright, so if you examine the person, punch her in the face, we ask who she is, feign amnesia. Oh, hold on. It looks like my conditional's not correct. I mean, the protagonist is a little weird, right? He has, some strange tastes, or strange, I don't know. He thinks a little oddly. Alright, let me look up how to do, oh, maybe we can do a drop down here. Alright, hold on. If we have, oh wow, that's a lot of logic. Oh wow, that's... Alright, we don't need all that. Alright, hold on, let me check, conditionals in the description here, in the manual. Let's see. Oh, that's choices. I want conditional text. well, thanks for dropping by. Maybe if this is, I don't know if I'll put this up somewhere afterwards or not. I'll think about it. Oh, here we go. So we need a, colon. Like that. Alright, so because she already introduced herself, then she's not going to say her name there. But if we just go straight to Amnesia, she introduces herself. So that's how you do conditional text. Alright, actually, let's put this and continue instead. She can say, I don't know how I got here. I went to sleep in my own bed last night. Alright, so now, we should probably go to some kind of event, right? Since we did want it to be a death game. A speaker in the ceiling comes to life, and a deep voice, a deep distorted voice, speaks out. Welcome. Welcome to my island. I see you both slept well. What kind of death game should we play? The metal door to the room. Let's see. What kind of a knocking sound comes from the metal door to the room? From the metal door to the room. And it creaks open slowly. Okay, we don't need the word slowly there. I'll be waiting. Let's see. Your task awaits in the next room. The voice says before falling silent. Alright, so then I was thinking, maybe if you punched her, then, Barry wants you to go first, right? Otherwise, we'll just say, you both proceed into the next room. Let's see, what kind of death game thing should we have? just something simple. In the next room, you find a glass wall with two different compartments you could stand in, each with a button. Please enter the separate compartments, the voice says. You both hesitate, but do so. We haven't really died that much. We're about to start the first death game here. So I was thinking maybe you'll enter these separate classrooms with a button. A door shuts violently behind you, trapping you in the compartment. The same happens. You can see through the glass. Same happening for Marietta. What's the meaning of this? She shouts. We're going to play a little game, the voice says. The floor opens up to reveal lava below you. But you're standing on glass. I don't know how to. I don't know how to do this. Let's see. Let's see. Well, the floor, it's gonna be like you're standing on glass over top of lava. Let's see. I guess I'll just say only the glass floor is keeping you from falling to your death. Your fiery death. You can feel the heat in the room increase. The temperature maybe. Alright, so there's a single button in the room, but basically, what's gonna happen is if, let's see, here are the rules of the game. In 60 seconds, the button will become active. If you press the button, you will go free, but you're not really partners, but we'll call it companion. Your companion will drop into the depths below. If you both press the button, then you'll both die. You'll both meet your end. However, if neither presses the button... What? Should you die if neither press the button? I guess maybe he'll just be... he'll just be a jerk about it. Well, you'll see. Alright, so... Let's see, maybe Arietta doesn't like this. What is this nonsense? In a digital display, shows a countdown from 60 seconds. Alright, so now what do we do? Let's see, so maybe you can press the button right away. I'm not exactly sure what that'll do. Probably nothing. Oh, I guess I should also say, alright, you get another 60 seconds to decide, I guess. Alright, so you can tell Arietta not to press the button. Or maybe just wait. Alright, so if you press the button immediately, press the button immediately, even though the display is still at 55 seconds. Nothing happens. Alright, we're trying to keep it family friendly. Alright, so if you press the button immediately, nothing happens, except for Arietta yells at you. Alright, we need to... Let's see, oh yeah, I mean, AR art will definitely let people make really cool visual novels, I think. Right now it's still a little tricky because you can't quite make the same character over and over. It'll look different every time. But I mean, eventually I think people will figure that out. so maybe from there we just go to wait and see. Alright, so if you tell her not to press the button, I mean, if you punched her, she probably doesn't like you very much, right? What else can you have done to her? Oh, you can ask for her name first. She probably won't care too much about that. But she could. I don't think there's anything else you can really do. So what we should probably do is, you can actually separate your stuff out into files. So we should probably be doing that, but, make it easier to keep track of things, right? I mean, we could even have like a likability variable or something, right? To keep track of. But, let's not worry about that for now. Alright, so if you punched her, maybe we need a larger, what should you do? What should these choices be, I wonder? Alright, maybe, maybe just say, if you don't, we'll both die. Or if you do, if you don't trust me, we'll both die. Alright, so then we'll go to wait and see. Why is this a problem? Oh, I guess. I don't know if that'll show up right or not, but, yeah, how do I, what if I want that on a separate line? I mean, we're just winging it, right? We're not trying to make it make sense. Oh, maybe we're supposed to have a bar here. Yeah, okay, the bar there. That lets you put it on separate lines. Alright, so now we're at wait and see. The timer ticks down to 0, and then a loud beep sounds out. It resets back to 60 and begins counting down again. The button in your room lights up. Alright, so now it's the moment of truth. Oh, cool, yeah, thanks for dropping by. This is pretty fun. And I think this is a good way to prove out that this is pretty useful. I might use it the next time I work on a story-based game. Alright, so resets back to 60, begins counting down. It lights up. You can press the button, or wait. Alright, so if you press the button, is the floor in her room opens up. She quickly presses her own button before falling. You both fall to a warm, fiery death. You're dead. Alright, actually, let's have this go to wait in silence. Alright. So she's gonna make sure to see that you're not gonna press the button. Let's see, what if we don't want to actually... Oh, I guess we need to do something right. Alright, so then, Alright, so then basically, if you have chosen to punch her and you didn't do anything to calm her down after that, then you're basically going to, yeah, so if you punch or press immediately, oh, can we do, parentheses here? How do I want to do this? Alright, but nod will save you, I think. So if you punch or press immediately, and nod. Let's go to, uh-oh. As the countdown reaches 30 seconds left, she presses her button. Oh, maybe she paces around her button, stopping where your view of it is blocked. At around 30 seconds, she discreetly presses her button, and the floor below you opens up. The lava greets you with its warm, fiery embrace. You are dead. Alright, but otherwise, Barrier watches you closely as the timer ticks down. Eventually, time runs out, and a ding like from a microwave sounds out. The wall opposite where you came in opens up, and you both exit into a new room. Alright, maybe Beretta thing likes that. Thanks for not doing anything crazy there. But don't think I trust you completely yet. Oh, actually, maybe if you did amnesia as well, then she's also very suspicious. Alright, so, the intercom, springs to life again. Congratulations on clearing the first game. Though it was quite easy, I'm sure. I'm excited for what's coming up, and I'm sure you are too. And I know you'll enjoy it. Please proceed to the next room. A familiar metal door opens up, allowing you access to the next room. Guess we have no choice. you follow her on to the next challenge. To be continued? That's all I've got for now, I guess. But yeah, I think this is pretty cool. Let's, maybe we'll run through it just to make sure it works. I guess I'll delete this. So, look around the room, check out the door, examine them, punch her in the face. We'll, ask who she is, then we'll feign amnesia. So there's all that text. Press the button immediately. Alright, but the button lights up, we'll wait. Yeah, I'm not gonna press it, come on. And then it goes through. Oh, apparently the brackets there I used are a little special. So we'll just do like that. If we say nothing, she kills us. And if we press the button, we both die. Alright, well that was pretty fun. I can definitely see how ink is pretty useful, and of course it can do all kinds of things with variables and all kinds of other features. So I'll have to experiment more. But yeah, thanks for joining me checking it out, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye!